Okay, we're going to swing to the left. Just out of my way. Slow and easy wins the race. You got a nice fish there, girl.
She's been here.
Swing that in. Okay, and what I want to do is, here we go. Excuse me. Let's pull this in too. Right here.
You want this one in?
I think that one will be all right.
Here we go. I'm going to hand you this. And left turn, please. Right on. Okay, excuse me 1 second.
Good job, Jenny.
What?
You know what to do. You've been here.
Okay, I'll do this. Good fish. Okay, I'll do this.
Good job, Jenny.
Jenny?
Yeah.
That flasher coming out of the water is going to feel like it's going to cut away with this slack.
Okay.
Oh, that's already out. Good to go. Okay, and I'm going to hand somebody this milk. I don't know what you're going to do. Keep swinging up, and I'm going to move it right down here.
Yeah.
Okay, nice and slowly. Just punch your rod back. And crank down.
Good job.
Queen of Kings.
Good job. Oh, right on.
This is familiar.
Familiar.
Nice and easy. Okay, left hand turn, sharp.
She's good at this. Tell you what. She was born to reel in kings.
Okay, reel all the way down the flasher. Nice, slow and easy. Slow and easy.
Got all day, Jenny. Got all day.
Okay, left hand turn.
It's a fresh fish.
Damn fish. See how these things bite?
Is it tired yet or not? It's not tired at all, is it?
When they're ready.
But you know what to do, Mike.
Perfect job. Just keep moving. Very good. Kind of a group effort without a deck hand here. Left hand turn. You're doing excellent. Okay, now this is where the flags are going to come out of the water. Keep it tight.
Woo!
Okay.
For the whole day.
Flasher. Now slowly left. Just slow and easy. Up. Okay, left hand turn.
Reg, that's a freshie, boy.
Okay, all the way down to the front here you can. Okay, nice slow lift again. Slowly. Great. Fish is still not ready. Turn down again. Nice, easy lift. Crank all the way down. Fish is hard to turn. Okay, hold it. Captains burned except for one, and we got one in the middle. I'm not bragging, but we got a good crew, and we deserve that.
Yeah!
Hell yeah!
Hey, Jenny, that's what you've been waiting for.
Excellent.
Yeah!
Look at that.
Right
Oh,
on.
gosh.
The Queen of Kings.